Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use a 3-hole punch. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of properly using a 3-hole punch tool. With that being said, let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a 3-hole punch, and the first thing that I want to show you is that there are actually 3 spots where this unit will punch holes in the paper. 1, 2, and 3. And these can be adjusted, and I'll show you in just a few moments how to do that. But first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to use a 3-hole punch if these are already where you want them to be. So as you can see, you want the paper to go in between those little spots right there, just like that, okay? And that's going to allow the paper to go where the punching part of these things will actually operate. And on one side of the 3-hole punch, there's going to be a stopper for the paper. So here's the stopper, and as you can see over here on this side, there's no stopper. The paper can slide right through there. So what you want to do is you want to take your sheet of paper, or multiple, which I'll show you in just a minute, and you want to slide it in between those 3 units and slide it all the way to the stopper. Now you want to make sure that it's lined up nicely in the 3-hole punch. So you want to make sure that it's touching evenly on the back side there, and then also touching the stopper evenly. Now once you've done that and everything is good to go, you're going to hold the paper in place. Then you're going to actually use your hand and press down on the 3-hole punch. Now for this unit right here, you just have to press this end down right here, and it will punch 3 holes in the paper, just like that, and release it. And when you take your paper out, you can see that I have punched 3 holes in the paper. I've used the 3-hole punch to punch 3 holes in the paper. Now you can also do this with multiple sheets of paper. So as you can see here, I have a few sheets of paper together, and I'm going to make sure that the papers are nicely stacked together. Okay, that's very important because you want those 3 holes to line up on each sheet of paper. Then I'm going to slide these sheets into place and then slide them to the stopper just like that. And make sure that they're lined up nicely with the back end of the 3-hole punch and the stopper, just like that. Once everything's lined up, just hold your sheets of paper in place, and then once again, operate the 3-hole punch. You're going to probably have to press down a little bit harder when you have multiple sheets of paper in, because you're punching holes through multiple sheets of paper. As you can see, all of the holes line up on the multiple sheets of paper. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to turn the unit around and just show you the back end here. So as you can see, these are the 3 parts where we can actually punch holes in the paper. Now, it's actually really easy. The operation of it is very simple. This little handle at the top presses down on these pieces, just like that, which actually allows them to punch the holes in the paper. Now, if you take a look and your 3-hole punch allows you to make adjustments, which it likely will, then you're going to see different standards, okay, and different words that will tell you the adjustments that you can make. So right here, these 3 spots are on the standard. So if you take a look right there, hopefully you can see this, it says standard. Okay, there's a short form for standard right there. There's also centers right here, so you can adjust based on the centers, and then there's a zone 1 in the middle here, and then there's more centers. So all that you have to do for this unit is just unscrew these, and you can use a screwdriver because you can see there's a little slot right there. So you can unscrew them to loosen them and then move them wherever you want. And the cool thing is that wherever you move them, this piece right here, this bar, is going to press down properly on each of the units that punches the holes in the paper. But that's basically it. It's actually a very simple process, and in this video I have shown you how to use a 3-hole punch. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.